boys and girls. This is Miss Florin reading you another story. This one is called Choices, Choices, and it was written by Allison Adams, and it's illustrated by Rob McClurkin. I hope I said his name right. Okay. This story is a realistic fiction. Let's find out why the story is a realistic fiction. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. As I read, I want you to make sure you're following along. All summer long, Andy mowed lawns. Andy walked dogs. Andy even babysat his little sister. Every day, Andy put his money in his bank. He saved it all. He wanted to buy a new bike. He also wanted a new jacket and a video game called Power Up. Let's make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen in this story? I think Andy is going to have to make a choice because the title of the story is called Choices, Choices. I wonder which one he'll choose. Do you think he'll choose the bike? Do you think he'll choose the jacket? Do you think he's going to choose the video game? I would say he's going to choose a new bike. All right, let's find out. One afternoon, Andy's friend Ross called. "I've got something cool you have to see," he said. "I'll be there in a minute," Andy said, and he got on his bike. Pop! Andy's tire went flat. "I really need a new bike," he said to himself. Maybe I'm right. Maybe my prediction's correct. Let's see what happens. Andy walked to Ross's house. The summer sun was shining. "Phew!" Andy cried. "I don't need a new jacket now." So now he doesn't need a new jacket. I wonder why he doesn't need a new jacket. Why do you think he doesn't need a new jacket? I think it's maybe because he's too hot. See, there's the little sweat marks coming off of him. At last, Andy got to Ross's house. "What took so long?" Ross asked. "I had to walk," Andy explained. "I got a flat tire." Then he added, "I really need a new bike." "Your bike is nice," Ross said. "You just need a new tire. Come on, this will make you happy." The two boys went to the living room. Andy looked at the TV and yelled joyfully, "You got Power Up?" So, let's go back to our prediction. My prediction was that he was going to get a new bike. Maybe I'm not right, but I think he's probably not going to get the video game since his friend already has it. What do you think? The boys sat down and started to play the game. "Go, Andy, go," said Ross. When they got to the end of the game, they saw an ad. "Power Max coming this September." What's another word for ad? So it says, when they got to the end of the game, they saw an ad. Power Max coming this September. "September starts next week," Ross said. his eyes wide. Why are his eyes wide? Let me read that again. September starts next week, Ross said, his eyes wide. Oh, maybe he was excited because then he would only have to wait one more week for the video game. Do you think he's gonna get the video game? The boys looked at each other excitedly. If I got a new tire for my bike, Andy said, I could still get Power Max next week. Yes, you could, Ross said. For now, let's play Power Up again. Andy jumped up. Later. I want to fix my bike now, he said. Was your prediction right? If it wasn't, that's okay. The important thing is that you're thinking about the story as you go along. When we first started, I told you that this text was a realistic fiction. Do you know why it's a realistic fiction? What does it mean when there's a story that's a realistic fiction? A realistic fiction is a made-up story that could happen in real life. Can you think of a story kind of like this in your own life? Have you ever saved up money to buy something special? Well, I hope you enjoyed reading the story with me. Till next time.